Can you solve this viral geometry question? We are given a rectangle. Inside this rectangle, a quarter circle is placed in such a way that its radius perfectly matches the height of the rectangle, just like this. Again, at the base of the rectangle, a semicircle is placed like this, and a tangent with the length of 10 units is drawn from the lower left corner of the rectangle to this semicircle like this. And our goal is to find the area of this blue shaded region. You can pause the video and take a moment to think about it, and when you're ready, you can always come back to verify your answer. Alright, let's solve it together. But before we begin, let's define some helpful variables first. Let's say the radius of the semicircle is x units, and the radius of the quarter circle is y units. That means the horizontal segment here is also x units. And since the radius of the quarter circle matches the height of the rectangle, that means this length here is also y units, right? Area of rectangle is calculated by the formula height multiplied by base. In our case, height of the rectangle is this y unit, and base of the rectangle is this length y, plus this length x plus this length x, which is y plus x, or y plus 2x. So substituting these values, we get area of this blue shaded rectangle as y multiplied by the quantity y plus 2x. Now let's simplify this expression. Y times y gives us y squared, and y times 2x gives 2 times xy. So the area becomes y squared plus 2 times xy. Let's mark this as equation 1 and put it here. Now let's draw a radius like this and focus on this as tangent. We know that according to the radius-tangent theorem, the radius of a circle is always at a right angle to the tangent at the point of contact. That means this is 90 degrees. And this is a right-angled triangle with hypotenuse as this total distance from the center of the semicircle to the bottom left corner, which is x plus y units. One leg is this x units, and the other leg is this given tangent of 10 units. So using everyone's favorite, the Pythagorean theorem, we get the quantity x plus y squared equals x squared plus 10 squared. Now expanding this expression using famous algebraic identity, we get x squared plus 2 times xy plus y squared equals x squared plus 100. Now subtracting x squared from both sides, we get 2 times xy plus y squared equals 100. Wait a minute, did you notice something? This final expression is exactly what we had in equation 1 for the blue shaded area. So now substituting this back into the equation, we get area of the blue shaded rectangle as 100 square units. And that's our final answer. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Even though we didn't know the radius of either circle, just a bit of geometry and algebra helped us find the exact area of the rectangle. But wait, before you go, I have one more bonus challenge just for you. Can you find the area of this rectangle in terms of variable x instead of 10? Think it through and drop your answer in the comments below. Let's see who can figure it out. If you found this explanation helpful and learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more mind-bending math questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.